What are you doing here? So you mean after everything you did to my sister, you still have the guts to come to this house kneeling?
Lillian, please, you don't have to put fire to this. Nene, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I understand I messed up, but some days are like that.
Now you have made your point. Can you leave?
You want me to leave?
Get out of this premises.
After all we've shared together, please, at least remember the good times we had.
What is there to remember?
Please, give us another chance.
There is no us.
It's us.
There is no us.
Plans,
whatever we shared.
Future.
Now, just listen to me. Whatever we shared ended the day you told me there is a limit to what you can take. I have a new kidney. Our relationship ended the day I had a new kidney implanted in me. So please, take your low, dirty self out of my compound.
Damian,
I understand, but please.
I wouldn't say another word if you make me repeat myself. You won't like me.
Damian.
Whatever we shared is over. Get out.
Lillian.
You just have to leave. Leave! Sissy, it's okay. You know you're not that strong. Leave!
Get out!
Damian. Leave.
I've been here for the past 1 hour. You haven't said anything to me. You asked me to come that you had something very important you needed to tell me. So why are you being rude to me?
I'm sorry about that, but that's not really me. It's just that I got into a very ugly situation today, so... But, it's fine.
I see. It seems you don't want to talk about it. You prefer keeping it a secret.
No, not like I... Not like I don't want to talk about it, but... Okay. My ex was here today. And everything he said and did just got me pissed. And I am still pissed till now.
Okay. I see where this is coming from. Is this something you should walk yourself over?
I know.
It's okay.
Enough of that. I did not come here so we could talk about my ex.
Better now you're smiling.
I called you here because I wanted us to talk. I mean, I want to know more about you.
Okay. You already know my name. So let me still start from the beginning. My name is Donald Ochendo.
I know that.
I'm from a very small village in Omodim.
Okay.
Somewhere in Anambra State. Oka North. I'll be 34 by November this year.
Oh, wow.
Yes. My parents died when I was barely 4 years old.
Oh.
Yes. I heard it was a fire outbreak. So, I've been raised by my grandmother single-handedly. She made me to become the man I am today.
Oh.
I'm a graduate of agricultural engineering from Michael Opara University. I've graduated for the past 6 years. You know what Nigeria is? I've not been able to gain any job at all. So I just have to do 1 or 2 to put myself together. All the same.
Wow.
That's just it.
The story is quite pathetic. And I'm sorry about that. Well, I'm just gonna give you a little winnie about me. It's nothing really. I'm sure you know everything about me.
I know nothing about you.
Okay, that was a joke. Well, you know my name already.
I do.
And of course, you know my sister here. I have another sister in the village who lives with my dad. My mom is late. I'm somewhere from Abia State, in Umuahia, to be precise. And what else do you need to know? Okay, well, I work with Laz Oil and Gas Company. That was after I graduated from the University of Calabar. And what else should I tell you? Okay. I think that's all. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I was supposed to be married to the man who backed out on me when I was ill. You know, that's not something I really like talking about, but
I understand.
That's it. And that's basically what there is to know about me, nothing else. Why are you staring at me like that?
Nothing, I'm just listening to you.
Donut. Donut. Seriously, see, I don't know. You are not very weak. You can't even take beer again, my guy. Guy, you don't turn it dodo.
Who said I'm weak? Look, Maxwell, I was never a fan of alcohol, so abstaining from it isn't much a problem. And besides, I did what I did for the woman that saved my life.
You can say that again. You can say that. Well, that is okay by you. Not as much as you are okay. I'm okay. But seriously, I was really scared that period you wanted to donate your kidney to that lady. My guy, if I don't buy.
Guy, don't be weak like a woman. I was never afraid. I knew I was not going to die. Though I was a bit apprehensive. Then, point of correction. I prefer you call her Nene, not that lady.
It's alright.
Maxwell. I don't know, but somehow I'm feeling something for Nene. I love her with all of me. I think we do have a destiny together.
But seriously, I know you love her. You do. If not, you would have been in the street looking for a job now. But now, you have job. You are looking good. Guy, you don't blow.
You can say that again. Nene is a pure lady with a pure heart. I will not hesitate to marry her. If actually that falls into place.
Listen, man, let me tell you. If you would take my advice, I think it's high time you propose to that lady. Hey, don't look at me that way. Yes, propose to her. Or would you want her to come and propose to you? You know things are not done that way. And besides, you will not want to see her be taken by another man. Guy, you're not going to watch the part 2 of that thing.
Guy, I'm happy you're the one saying this now. Don't worry, just give me a little time. You go hear my score.
That kind of thing. My man! No, I'm really happy with you. I'm happy. You need it. All right, my man, you go be now. Take care, man. All right.
Maxo.
My man.
Maxo. Matt, nigga. All right, bro.
Donald.
Mama.
What do you have to say about those girls that came here today? Chinri told me that one is fair and very beautiful. What do you have to say about them?
Mama, sometimes I wonder where you draw your strength from. You're blind, but you can see through your heart.
I know. Just tell me, I know about that.
Nene is very beautiful.
Nene, exactly what she called her.
I love her, Mama.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
That is what I want to do.
As a matter of fact, I have proposed marriage to her.
That is what I want to hear. And she accepted?
She said yes.
Hey! So very soon, I am going to be a great grandmother. Hey! Still looking strong. This God is too much, you. This God is doing a wonderful thing in my life. Hey! Where will I start to thank this God? Death. Oh! How I wish my son Uchendo and the wife is alive to witness this day. Oh! Death.
Stop crying, Mama. Mama, stop crying. It pains me too. It pains me deeply each time I remember them. Though I did not really know them because I was too tender when they passed on. But the feelings and emotion kept coming. We have to stop crying, Mama. They are dead. They are gone for good. Stop crying,
Hey, no problem. Hey, where is she from? I mean the girl.
Mama, she's from Umaya, Abia State.
That's our place now. Very well now. It's our place. Where you know why? Where? Oh. That's my place too.
Yes, Mama.
That's my place.
What's your place, Mama?
Yes, now. So, did she tell you the family? What is her father's name?
Yes. Her father's name is Mr. Titus.
Did you say Mr. Titus?
Yes.
What is their family name? Did she tell you? I mean their surname. Did she mention it?
Yes, she... No, wait, she said, hey, Mama, I'm coming. Yes, Ojimba. I think. Ojimba, Mama. Yes.
Oje?
Yes. Mama. 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 Take it easy, Mama. Mama, what is it? Mama! Mama! Mama, what is it?
Mama!
Go and get water.
Mama!
Get water. Go and get water. Mama? Mama? Nne? Nne, what is it? Chinye, get water!
I'm coming!
Chinye, come! Nne. Nne, wait. Nne, stay. Nne, Chinye, get water. Get water. Chinye. No! Who is that? No! No. Okay, Mama. Mama, wait. Wait, Mama, wait. Mama, listen to me. Mama, I'm going to get a job. I have a job.
It's okay, don't cry again.
I get my blood just go like that. My head just go like that.
Don't cry again, it's okay. God knows the best. You still have a mother.
Don't come.
It's okay. Stop crying.
Mama!
Please, okay. It's okay, just calm
No!
Please,
What did I look
it's okay,
at?
it's okay. You still have a mother. Stop crying.
She's making mother to me.
I know, she knows it's okay. Don't worry, you still have a mother. Stop crying.
Mama!
If you continue crying like this, it might eventually make me start crying. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine.
When I go, Mama, when I pick the phone.
No, you still have a mother now. You still have one. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay, stop crying. Everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be fine.
She can't go. No, I didn't have to leave the food.
Everything is going to be fine.
What has he been working for?
Everything is going to be fine.
What has he been working for?
Don't worry, everything is
My son, you are welcome to my household.
Thank you, sir.
I want you to know that we are all pleased to receive you.
We appreciate you for what you have done. Because my daughter have told me everything. All you did for her while she was away from us. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you. I would want to know you more. You may start from like telling us your name, where you are from, and then what you do for a living.
Okay, sir. My name is Donald Uchendu. I'm from Umudin village in Oka, Anambra State. My late parents are Mr. and Mrs. Uchendu. I grew up with my grandmother, but she passed on last month.
That's so sad. Sorry for that. But Umudin village.
Yes, sir.
Sounds like I know someone there. Someone I know very closely.
Really?
Yes, my daughter. Because even the Uchendo is sounding so very familiar. Well, my son, please continue.
Okay, sir. I was barely 4 years old when my parents passed on. It was a fire outbreak, so I didn't really get to know the village. I didn't grow up there, so I don't know much.
It's okay. It's all right. If I may ask, are you a graduate?
Yes, sir. So I'm a graduate of agricultural engineering. Currently working with Zach Oil and Gas.
Yes.
Through the help of your beautiful daughter.
Now, if I may ask you once more, what's your intention towards my daughter? Because I can see the way you are holding
Sir. Sir, your daughter and I were destined for each other, but we didn't know until destiny brought us together. So I deemed it necessary to come pay the family a visit.
It's okay, my son. You came in peace, and you shall go in peace.
Thank you, sir.
What you did for my family, for us, is not something that can be quantified. Even words are too small for us to possibly declare what you have done. For your intention towards my daughter, you have my word. In fact, you already have my blessings.
Papa?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Whenever you are ready, come with your people.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Papa, thank you.
Thank you.
Tea breastmilk.
Keep quiet.
Look at me now. See our twin sister here now.
You are welcome. You are welcome. I appreciate your being here at this point in time that my daughter is being taken. We will not go too far until the representative of his late mother arrives. But on the interim, I will want you to introduce yourself. Tell us about yourself. I know that you have told me before, but just for the benefit of everyone that is here.
Exactly.
Please.
Greetings, my elders. Greetings, everyone. My name is Dona Luchendu. I'm a native of Umudim village in Anambra State. Oka North, to be precise. Actually, I saw a very beautiful flower in your compound, so...
My elders, please, I'm sorry for coming late. Donald, please, forgive
welcome,
your auntie.
Auntie. It's okay.
Ego the man.
Potatoes!
Auntie Ego.
Papa, the reason you did what you did out there in my sister's introduction is unknown to us. Papa, please talk to us. Tell us what is happening.
Papa, look at how Auntie Nene is crying because of an incident that just occurred. Talk to us. Or is there anything you're hiding from us?
Papa.
No. That young man, Donald, is your blood relative. In fact, he is your cousin.
Papa, what?
He is a son to my father's younger sister.
Papa, wait. You're not serious about what you're saying, are you?
See, I cannot allow this. It is against our tradition. In our tradition, it is called incest, a taboo. If I allow it, calamities will befall us in this family. This marriage cannot work.
This is not happening. This is not happening. This can't be true. You're not serious, are you? You're not serious about this.
It is the truth.
Lillian, it's not true, right? It's not true.
Yes, it's not true.
It's not.
This is not true. This is not true. You just have to calm down.
Did you see what my auntie acted there?
I saw everything. Like, I saw everything, okay?
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't just tell me to calm down.
You are too hot.
It is happening to me, not you.
She's here. So allow her to talk.
I will explain.
Auntie, start explaining. Just explain. Tell her to talk
please
now.
calm down. She will
Auntie, explain. Because from the way you kept mute out there when that man was displaying his drama, I am very sure that you knew all what that man was talking about. I don't need a soothsayer to come and tell me. Start talking. Auntie, talk.
Please calm down. Okay? She's here already.
Tell her to talk now.
She will talk. You can't be shouting this way,
talk.
please.
Okay, I am calm.
Please.
I'm calm.
He's calm now. You just have to say something. What happened?
Auntie, talk now. Okay, fine. I am calm. I'm not shouting. Please. I am okay. My temper is down.
It's alright.
Auntie,
okay?
talk. Just tell me.
Please.
Explain.
What happened? Please talk to us.
Auntie, look. Keeping mute on me will not help my state right now because I am burning. I'm burning down.
Hello.
Please talk to me.
Donna!
Auntie Dodo is going crazy.
You can't go crazy here. You have to calm down.
Okay, Auntie, just tell me what
please.
I need to know. Please.
What happened?
But you have given me the chance to open up.
It's alright. Can you please talk to us?
Of a truth, I can feel your pains. But it's unfortunate your grandmother never told you the truth.
Grandmother, truth. What is he saying?
Years ago, your grandma got pregnant for your grandfather. Back then, it was a taboo for a girl to get pregnant in her father's house.
You're fine.
Yes.
But Janet, you have been vomiting. What is the problem?
But I'm fine. It's just a slight symptom of malaria, but I'm fine.
Slight symptom of malaria?
Yes.
And you are fine? Ini Edo.
Janet,
Good afternoon.
what is wrong with you?
Nothing, but I'm fine.
You are fine.
Yes.
How come you are fine? You no longer know when it's morning and when it's afternoon. All of a sudden you are greeting me this good afternoon, this early morning. I've been watching you closely. You have been vomiting for the past 3 days. And right now you just vomited. What is wrong with you, Janet?
But I'm fine. I'm okay.
Look, Janet, if you're not okay, you tell us. We are your brothers. What is wrong with you?
I said I'm fine. I'm okay.
You know what, Janet? We'll go to Ini Edo this morning to see Okoli the herbalist. He will examine you and comment treatment as once.
Brother, do you think that's necessary?
Of course it is.
I'm okay. I'll take care of myself.
Listen to me. We are going to Ini Edo this morning. So you go in there, pack your things, arrange your things, let's go to Ini Edo. And that is final.
You heard? You are going to that.
Sister, don't worry, eh? I know you're okay. Please don't worry yourself. Come, let's go inside.
I don't know where all these things are happening. This our tradition is so powerful. Even my family has nothing to say. Brother Titus. Brother Shindy.
Janet, if it is something in our power, we, your brothers, could have averted this. But tradition is tradition. There's nothing we can do. Just pray you find peace wherever you find yourself.
Please don't leave me alone. Please don't leave me alone. Please, I beg you.
How can you get me here?
Sister, please, I beg you, don't leave me alone. Please, I beg you. Sister, please don't leave me alone. I beg you. Don't leave me alone.
There was nothing Brother Titus, Nene's father, could do. He loved your grandma, his junior sister, so much, but tradition prevailed.
Why? How could you do this to me? I'm finished. Tradition has killed me. Ocean, how could you do this to me? After all the love we shared together, you promised you were going to stay by me.
No,
It's not.
Please, my dear, try things. My dear, I can never abandon you, and I never will. Sorry. Child.
My friend and I came to your house this morning when I realized that I was pregnant. And someone told us that you packed your bags and left the village.
No. See. I didn't leave the village entirely. So, if your father had found out, that I was in that house there, he would have killed me. See? So I've been here since waiting for you because I knew you were going to come to this spot.
I'm finished.
No, you're not. See, don't say it.
Where I go from here?
Don't say it, listen to me. See, I've also packed my bags. I've packed my things. I've also packed my bags so that you can go to my village.
She fled the village with your grandfather to settle there. I was young then, but I loved her so much. My love for her made me follow her where she went.
So, Donald, that's how it started. When your grandmother lived in the village with your grandfather, Uchendu. 9 months later, she had your father. On the same day, she lost your grandfather on a motor accident. And since then, she never visited the village till she passed on. So I'm sorry to have kept this from you all this while.
I don't care. Antego, I do not care. Antego, listen to me. My mind is made up. I'd rather die single than losing my marital union with Nene because of one godforsaken tradition. To hell with tradition! To hell with this! I am done! To hell with everything Auntie can do. Make way for this!
Be ready to face the consequences.
This is heartbreaking.
Oh, sweetheart. You're still crying. My sister called me to come talk to you. Why are you still crying now?
Why won't I cry? Jacinta, this is so heartbreaking.
I know.
First it was Damian who broke my heart. And now tradition wants to do same to me. How am I supposed to live? How am I supposed to survive?
Sweetheart, I understand, but tradition is something you can never abolish, okay? I think I was there, I saw everything. It is pure confirmed.
There is nothing confirmed. I am not related to Donald. I'm not related. He doesn't even look like me. I don't look like him. How can we be related? I am not related to him.
Oh, sweetheart, you are. Your father confirmed it. The oldest man in your village confirmed it. Even Donald auntie confirmed that you guys are related. Okay, please, my love, you don't need to hurt yourself, okay? Please just take it easy. There are many more opportunities out there. You will grab it soon. Okay?
I want Donald. I want him. I want Donald. I don't want him to be him.
So that, see, let me tell you. No, I don't like you cry, okay? I want to see that your beautiful smile, okay? Just give it to me. Please, give it to me. Oh, wait. Oh my God. Your favorite design, you're crying. Oh, please stop, eh? It's a goosey soup. Look at the meat on top. So why are you crying? Let me get to plate, okay? Let me drink food. I'm coming. Let me get to, I'll feed you myself, okay? Let me get to food. I'm coming.
I don't care what anybody has to say. I don't care what is going on. But I don't want anybody to come in between me and Donald. How many times am I supposed to explain this? This man is the love of my life. The person we're talking about is the same person who saved my life. And you want me to give him up for what? Tradition and customs? How? No, don't tell me it's okay, I can't. Donald is the only man I love. That is the same man who saved my life, and you want me to give him up for what? Tradition? I won't do it. I love that man from the bottom of my heart. I have tried everything to stop loving him, but no, it doesn't work. Why would you want to end things between Donald and I? Father, that is the same man who saved my life. I wouldn't be standing here talking about traditions and custom if that man didn't do anything for me. Did you want me to leave him? It's okay. Just don't tell me it's okay. Don't! I'm just going to make this clear. If I don't end up getting married to Donald, I will remain single for the rest of my life.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Because if it is, that means great calamity awaits us in this family.
It's not. It's not. Oh, Papa. Do you think it's easy? It's not easy as you think. Nene and Donald are deeply in love. Can you imagine someone giving out his life for the other to live? Donald is living with just one kidney because of the love he has for him. Think of what will happen to Donald if they did not end up getting married. Hey. Papa. Papa, please. Let us forfeit this tradition and give my sister the happiness she deserves. Please.
Auntie, I am not here to eat food. I came directly from the office because you told me that you had something very important you needed us to talk about. So whatever it is, just go ahead and say it.
Donald, please come inside. Come inside. I prepared a sumptuous meal for you. Come and eat. Are you not my nephew? Come inside, please.
Auntie, I do know that you don't have any discussion to discuss with me. Apart from the fact that you are trying to convince me to tell me that I and Nene cannot get married. And I am not ready to hear that.
Donald, don't let your emotions create differences between us. Come inside first.
Okay, Auntie, I can see that you don't really have anything you want to talk about. Please, I'm not working out on you.
What are you trying to do? Are you leaving? Donald, come back here! Come back!
These children are deeply in love. For Donald to have donated his kidney just to ensure she lives proves so convincingly that he really loves my daughter. Nene. But the truth has to be told. The fact have to be stated clearly, so that calamity will not befall us. I know it hurts deeply, but blood and tradition has the final say.
Chinyere, my friend, how have you been doing?
I'm fine. How is your family?
My family is fine. They are all fine.
My friend, you have been passing through a lot.
Really?
My uncle Donald is deeply in love with Auntie Nene. And this coincidence is really an ugly one. Because I overheard my mother saying that Auntie Nene is pregnant for Uncle Donald.
Chimo, are you serious? Ha! But my dad told me that Auntie Nene and Uncle Donald are related by blood. And if they eventually get married, a great calamity is going to befall their family.
I just pray nothing happens to them. I pray.
I pray so too.
Uncle Donald is deeply in love with her.
Let God just help them. I
don't
pray
think
so.
we'll do anything about it.
Hi. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you so much. You know I love this.
Thank you, Papa. You know, I've always known Orange to be one of your favorites.
You're a daughter that knows the mind and desires of her father. God, my God will bless you.
Thank you, Papa.
You didn't tell me that you were coming, unlike you. Where is your sister, Lena?
Papa, she's the reason why I came. Yeah, she's the reason why I came on my own.
Hope she's fine.
How can she? Papa, how can Nene be fine? Papa, Nene is punishing herself to death. She barely eats. She doesn't even talk to me, nor report to the office. All she does is just to cry day and night.
Leland, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
None of us in this house should blame her. I don't blame her at all. Nene is grieved and gripped by love. Imagine loving someone so deeply, then engaging in marriage with that person, only suddenly you come up to know that this person is a strong blood relative of yours. It is not easy to get rid of that kind of love, my dear.
That's the more reason why I came to you, Papa. Papa, you have to do something to remedy Nene's dilemma. My sister is going nuts. She's going through a lot. But Papa, why can't tradition allow my sister to marry the love of her life? But Papa, let me ask you. What about that your sister that stays with us? Your brother's daughter. She got married from the family her grandmother came from. What is happening?
Lillian, my daughter.
Papa.
You are still too young. I know that by the time you grow a little older, you will get to understand tradition. And then, I know you will not allow what happened to Nene to happen to you.
Papa, I feel for my sister. Yes, I do feel for her. I am putting myself in her shoes. My sister is going through hell. This is too much for her to handle. What an ugly coincidence.
Juju.
Nneka.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
Are you washing?
I'm cooking.
You say. Somebody cannot just ask you a question, you answer directly. Eh? Why you like this? See, well, that's not the reason why I came here. I came here for something very important.
What is that?
Do you know, after the whole warnings and findings that Donald and Nene are blood related, do you know this boat? This boat still got married.
Oh. This is love, eh? Love one thing.
Oh, wow.
But I wished for that kind of love,
but not blood related. Yes, I want that kind of love. Yes, now the God should give me such kind of man, but not the one that is related to me.
When do you start falling in love? What about Chika? I thought Chika loves you.
Judith, you would have insulted me directly. Instead of insulting me indirectly. Which one again is Chika? Eh? Which one is Chika again? Did I tell you I love Chika? See, in fact, you know what? Chika is not my spec. He's not. He's not. In fact, I pass you Chika.
Hey! Take your Chika, oh!
Oh, really?
Chika. I don't want Chika.
Did you cook? I'm hungry.
Chop. Come on, eat this one.
It's not like that.
Come,
now, did you
eat
cook?
this one.
Oh, you're pouring me water, Jare. Did you cook? I came to give you message.
Come and eat this one.
You're pouring me water now.
No, take.
Okay, fine. I'm inside. I'm waiting for you.
The death of the baby in your womb is a clear proof that both of you are not meant for each other. The child died because it's a child of abomination. That is why I have been kicking against your relationship with Donald. Donald, my son.
Yes, sir.
You are a good and noble man. A a son of this village through the influence of your grandmother, my aunt. We cannot forget all the things you have done for this family, especially the kidney you donated to my daughter. It clearly shows that you really love her. But the truth must be told. Our tradition cannot be disobeyed. You see, if you go ahead with this your agitation to marry my daughter Nene, you may go on to suffer more calamities than you have suffered already. I plead with you, our tradition cannot be disobeyed. It's a very strong tradition. I know that both of you can go your separate ways and find love again. You can find love, please. But
Papa, I have heard everything you said. But this man sitting down here gave me life. He is the air that I breathe. I won't give up on him. This man here is the Lord of my life. What do you want me to do? What? I have found life and love in this man. That our baby died does not imply divorce. Father, there are better things I heard. I have Donald's kidney in me and he has my own blood. That has made us inseparable. Let's go.
sorry, we have to go.
Oh God, why is this happening so fast? Nne Jenny just died without a trace. And now, this girl Nene is pregnant for Donald. God, I just need your wisdom on how to face this. Please, guide.
Mama.
Yes, dear.
Are you still thinking about Uncle Donald and Nene?
What else? What else if not Donald?
Mama, what I see is true love. And those two are in love. For Uncle Donald to donate his kidney to Auntie Nene, that shows that the bond is strong.
My daughter, there are a lot you don't know. I know Nene has tried for Donald, but does it want his kidney? I don't think so, my dear. Chukwokika Abiyama.
It does not really matter.
Come and save us. Hey, Nne Jenny, where are you?
Just let them be.
Okay, are you done with what they're doing over there?
No, I was about doing it.
Can we go inside?
Young man, what are you doing here? What are you doing in my compound? Is it not you, Damien? I'm talking like you are still walking home. Is it not you, Damien, that wanted my daughter dead? Is it not you, Damien, that prefer to fold his hands and watch my daughter die? You, Papa, I understand your anger. Yeah, I understand every anger you're bowing. But please, all I'm asking is just give me listening ear. Please. If you do not take your wicked self out of this compound, Damian, I swear by the gods, I will send you to that world you were afraid of going to. That world of the dead, I will send you there personally. Leave my house now. You do not have any reason. It has not come to that. Me and my friend just came so that you can hear me out, please.
Yes, actually, sir, what my friend Damien is actually trying to say is that he's deeply sorry for his wrong. But sir,
he has lost the chance. Are you hearing me, young man? He has lost the chance. Please, now leave this place. Leave my compound. Excuse me. You want me to get up and get... Hey! Bridget! Bridget, get me my compound. Listen. You love who? The person you prefer to be dead is the one you are loving now. You love. No, sir. Hey!
Well, I must say you both are really working hard in your careers.
How do you mean, doctor?
Well, congratulations, Mr. Dona. The wife here is pregnant.
Doctor, you're joking, right?
I am.
Just a second, please. Oh my goodness. It's true, baby. Doctor, it's true. It's true. Oh my God.
So you just have to make sure she doesn't stress herself this
No,
time.
she won't do anything from henceforth.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Well, so you heard the doctor. Hold my back.
Donald, it's high time you forfeit this relationship between you and Nene. I mean, you both can't marry.
Auntie Ego, most times you amuse me.
How?
I have told you that no one can separate Nene and I. I mean, Nene is my lover. We both love ourselves. So nobody can come in between us. All these things you're doing, it will not work. We must get married. So just forget about it.
Don't tell me that!
Oh, Auntie, look, this thing you're doing will not work. You cannot stop us.
I will!
I'm going to marry Nene.
I will! Because you are my nephew. I can't watch you ruin your life. It can never happen. Not when I'm alive. Can see you want more calamities to befall you, right?
You see? Auntie, has there been any calamity?
Oh, you don't know. You don't know. You can't read the handwriting on the wall. Then tell me, what is the reason for the miscarriages Nene has been having? And the death of your grandmother, tell me! No, tell me. Oh, now you are silent. You can't talk. You can't talk. No, open up.
I can see how serious and remorseful you are. Despite all that you have done to my daughter. It's okay. Your reasons are quite understandable. And I forgive you.
Papa. Thank you.
No, it's okay. Sit down.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
This second chance, I am going to take advantage of the privilege given to me. I will make you proud. I will make this family proud. I promise. Oh my God.
Sir, he will.
My daughter was supposed to have been married to somebody. Donald. But they cannot marry because he's her cousin. That is my father's sister's grandchild.
Really?
Yes. Well, I pray that she will have the mind to understand and the heart to bear the pains that she has been enduring. But I doubt if you'll be able to win her heart back to you. But there's no harm in trying. Alright? So please, I support you.
Thank you.
And if you win her heart, you will definitely win. You will have my blessing.
Thank you very much, sir. Baba, your support is all we lack, but thank God we'll have it now. As of Nini, we've come a long way. We love each other. Irrespective of what has happened and the circumstances surrounding the situation, I think she understands. And she still has a coal burning with deep desire for me. And all I need to do is to fan that coal back to flame, and then the flame of love will start burning again. You don't understand. It's just left for us to
Exactly, sir.
Oh, you think I'm so old that I can't understand? Look at them. Look at them.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's alright. It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
It's alright. All the same, thank you for the drink.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I don't know, where is this my daughter Bridget? It's always, I don't know this girl. Alex doesn't stay in one place.
That's
Bridget!
Donald, have you seen why you are not meant for each other? Have you seen the repercussion the relationship you have with Nene have caused? Can you not believe in the power of tradition? Do you still doubt that Nene is your relative?
Ntego, I am very much confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. My head is full.
I know, because I can feel your pains. More of this will come if you don't end whatsoever you have with Nene. Peace and complete happiness will be miles away from you. You can imagine yourself giving birth to a monster.
Antego, you know this is not easy for me. It's not easy.
I know. But please, have a rethink. Because I know by now, Nene is doing so. Okay? Put yourself together and have a rethink, please. For the sake of your future and for the sake of the land.
My love, we started our relationship in a very loving and beautiful way. Though we had our challenges, but not like the challenge we are facing right now. Nene, you're a wonderful woman. You're a woman with a heart of gold. You're a woman every man would want to spend the rest of his life with. It pains me. It pains me deep in my heart that we had to encounter this kind of ugly coincidence. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm doing this. We have to disengage. Please. I love you.
Donald, you are the love of my life. You are everything I have ever wanted. You can do this.
Nene, listen to me. If you ask for my blood, I'll give it to you. If you ask for my life, I'll give it to you. If you ask for anything, I can do it for you.
Don't go.
Please, we have to end this abomination.
No.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please.
I'm sorry. We have to end it.
Please.
You have to take it, please. I'm sorry. I have to. Take her, please.
Donald. Please. Please.
I'm sorry, please, Nene. Just bear with me. Nene, my neck.
What is it?
My neck.
What is it? Donald.
My neck. Donald, please. Donald. You don't have to do this, Donald, please. Please,
Brother. So you're still thinking about Donald's death. Donald is gone for good. He died because of love. Please, stop thinking about it.
My sister, you won't understand. Donald lost his parents so many years ago. And he lost his grandmother a few months back. He just got a good job. And now, Donald, my friend, is gone.
But I will know.
You don't understand. My dear, Donald is not supposed to die. Donald is not...
Brother, so calm down. It's okay. Please, calm down. You can go inside now. I want to go to market and get food stuff. Please.
It's alright. You can go.
Please.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
My people, as I was saying, I don't need to bug all of you on what my daughter passed through. That one being the past. The issue is, she's about to be happy again.
And like I said, Papa, it's all is well that ends well. So I promise to give my absolute support to Nene, my wife, and to the family.
Papa.
What is it?
Auntie just killed herself.
What? My brother, what is it? What is it? My brother, don't do this. Sir, what is it? Get me water. Please help me.